Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. I am back once again and I'm going to review a very special film I watched the previous night. The name of the film is Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. Before I get down to my review, I'm really surprised to know that many of you don't know much about this film. Yesterday I was talking to a friend of mine and she was totally clueless about this film. By the way, let me tell you, this movie has been directed by the great Dibakar Banerjee. He's a genius. Let me tell you, and he's the same director who had directed Oe Lucky Oe, Khosla Ka Khosla. He also produced a film called Titli. He directed Bomkesh Bakshi. He directed a film called Shanghai. I'm sure most of you followed his work, but I was very surprised and sad to know that none of you, at least most of you, didn't know about that this movie has released. And I really would like to tell YRF they should have promoted this film. Because I'm sure many investors and distributors are putting in a lot of money for meaningless cinema and they're promoting them. But these rare gems need to be promoted as well. Because cinema comprises of all kinds of films, not only meaningless drama or commercial pot boilers. Even such films like Sandeep or Pinky Farrar should be well promoted. And this movie has been produced by and distributed by YRF. So I was pretty shocked. And secondly, I heard about this film, I think, exactly 2 years ago. And when I heard about this film, Arjun Kapoor and Parineeti Chopra and Dibakar Banerjee is going to direct this film. So I was initially thinking this movie can be a road movie, a romantic road movie, could be a comedy. But I was wrong. Means I should have known, I should have guessed that Dibakar Banerjee's most of his films defies expectations. Means always expect the unexpected, like LSD, Love Sex Dhoka, one of his films. So I was totally wrong when I watched the film. This movie is dark, unpredictable, and definitely will keep you, at the edge of the seat. So coming back to the film, Sandeep or Pinky. Pinky is not a woman, and Sandeep is not a man. So I think that's going to be it's going to make you really intrigued, and you should watch this film. So initially, when I watched the trailer, I thought Pinky is Parineeti Chopra and Sandeep is obviously going to be Arjun Kapoor. No, it's not. Pinky is basically Arjun Kapoor. He plays a Haryanvi constable, and Sandeep is Sandy, Parineeti Chopra. So these two characters, Sandeep and Pinky, are from different worlds and how their worlds collide. One is a typical Haryanvi constable and Sandy is a well-off, a very heads a banking firm, and how their worlds collide and they both are on the run. So coming to the story, and by the way, most of my reviews are basically, I tend to give out spoilers, but this movie and this review is going to be totally spoiler free, so I'll make it pretty short. So Sandeep and Pinky Farrar, the story is pretty unpredictable, pretty dark. It has dark humor, and it's very well shot, very well directed, very well written. So basically, Sandy, coming to the character Sandy, Parineeti Chopra, she basically is one of the she's a top post. She works in a banking firm, a very famous banking firm, and she is a top post, quite a dignified top post. She earns a lot of money and she's currently having an affair with the owner of the company, and due to some reason the banking company is not doing that well. So she uses her wits, and she helps her boss, whom she's having an affair with, to safeguard the company. So she and her boss conducts various scams in order to dupe their customers so that they can get their money and safeguard their bank. So now what happens? So their plan is somewhat successful. They get to dupe most of the customers and get their personal money, show the government, and somewhat secure the losses and secure the reputation of the bank. But now Sandy gets an idea that what she's doing is wrong, and she's already pregnant with the child of a boss. So she's in a fix. So she decides to call it quits and not to be part of this scam anymore. And she wants a cut and she wants to basically step down from the company. And this doesn't go down well with the boss. Of course, if Sandy steps down, she might talk about the scam to someone else and he might get caught. It's quite a big scam. So now this boss of Sandy, Pariti Chopra's boss, he hires a inspector, Jaideep Alawat, who basically hires Pinky. Pinky is a constable, very normal, ordinary Haryani constable who has been suspended for a year. So he's ready to do anything at any cost in order to get back his job. So Jaideep Alawat hires Pinky and tells him to gives him supari of Sandeep and asks him to bump off Sandeep. Now during the plan goes somewhat okay, but on the due date of the plan, Pinky gets to know that the extended plan was not only Sandeep will get bumped off, even he will get bumped off after the entire plan has been executed. So he gets very alarmed. That boss, you have given me the supari to bump off Sandeep, but what I see that you're going to bump me off as well. So this Pinky gets Arjun Kapoor gets alarmed. So now Arjun Kapoor, what he does, he tells the entire plan to Sandy, Pariti Chopra. Now both of them become fugitives and they are on the run. So that's the basically story how these two characters from different worlds, they become suddenly one night they become fugitives and both of them are on the run and they want to basically reach and cross the border and get to Nepal. So both of them run. They go through dirty toilets, dirty lodges, ticketless local trains, and they finally reach a place called Pittorgarh. Pittorgarh, I think, is a place in Uttarakhand. It's near Nepal border. They seek shelter in a couple's house, played brilliantly by Neena Gupta and Raghuveer Yadav. Oh, they are such scene stealers. Raghuveer Yadav and Neena Gupta's chemistry is so memorable and so funny, and definitely going to enjoy them perform. So they seek shelter in that couple's house, and how they plan their next move is something you need to watch. The movie is very unpredictable. I will not tell you about the ending. If you have followed Dibakar Banerjee films, all his movies have this uncertain elements, which definitely as an audience will keep you going and keep you watching. So towards the end, definitely there's going to be a slight twist and turn. I will not talk about it. You need to watch this movie, Sandeep and Pinky Farrar. So this is mota-moti the story. If I have to talk about the technical aspect, right from the camera, I think Ashok Mehta, I think was the cameraman. I'm forgetting. Right from the writing, Varun Grover and Dibakar Banerjee written the script. Amazingly written. I love the first shot. The first shot is one camera shot, one take shot of a car. The camera is I think it's a GoPro attached. We see a group of guys talking, chatting, and having a good time. And this is a complete one take shot of them going. They all are sitting in a car of them, and the car is obviously on the go. And I think it's a 5-minute long shot. I won't say what really happens after the end of the shot, but I love the way the movie opens. I love the way the characters are introduced. I love the way Arjun Kapoor has performed. If you talk about the performances, Pariti Chopra gets more scope as a character. Definitely is very is etched out in a better manner. But Arjun Kapoor will definitely impress you. I always found Arjun Kapoor to be a good actor. I don't know why people don't like him. I like him. He's a great actor, right from Ishaqzaade to this film. He's always been a good actor. He has a great screen presence. So Arjun Kapoor, Pariti Chopra are superb in this film. And Pariti Chopra, by the way, congratulations. You are doing superb. Your Girl in the Train. Then is coming Sena's biopic this Friday. Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, my God, Pariti, you're on the roll, and I'm so happy to see you back. You have always been one of my favorite actors. So, in terms of performances, even Jaideep Alawat, even Neena Gupta, Raghuveer Yadav, Arjun Kapoor, all of them have done a great job. Even other supporting actors, I don't remember their names. Do watch it. Performance is top notch, camera is top notch, writing is top notch. It's a slow burn. It's not a fast-paced movie, by the way. It's not a road movie. It's not a fast-paced movie. It's not like a pep-up thriller. It's a slow burn. It'll take some time. You need to have patience to watch this movie. But I will really strongly recommend you to watch this movie, Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. because and Dibakar Banerjee, like always, never disappoints. Do watch his movie Shanghai. Yeah? Many people didn't like it. I don't know why. Do watch his movie Shanghai also after this film. So, guys, this is my review. Let me know if I have forgotten or missed out on any points. I think I've covered all the points of this film, and of course, without the spoilers. So, please watch Sandeep or Pinky Farad. It'll be coming. I think it'll be streaming on Amazon Prime. You can wait, or if you have all the precautions, you can definitely go and walk to the theater nearby and watch it. So, friends, I'll sign off. Please subscribe to my channel, Think Deep Basu on YouTube, or just hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions. I'll be back very soon with the next film called Silence. Goodbye. Happy weekday.